you will learn how to use your laptop as a second screen. Move your documents freely from one screen and type from any of your computer's keyboard. On my left is my main laptop. The laptop on the right is my shared screen. You can type from any of the keyboards. So type project or extend. You see extend on your search button. Click on it. Then projecting on this PC. Projecting to this PC. Then available always. Choose available everywhere. Available everywhere. Ask for PIN, choose never, then close. That is your setting on the second laptop. So you move to your main computer. Press Windows P, Windows plus P. Windows plus P. Then choose connect to a wireless display. And then you will see that your computer is searching and it will identify my laptop on the right. So I click on connect. So it is searching for connection on my right side laptop. A small icon appears there and I need to give access. Choose allow always. And then you see the two computer screens are connecting, and finally it is successfully connected, and you can proceed to extending your display to your second monitor. Let us see how it works. Congratulations. Perfect.